Hey guys, this is Jen from Local Viking, and today we're going to discuss audits and how to set up the audits. So to do so, you're going to click on audit configuration, click on new configuration, choose the name. In this case, it's going to be demo 4th of April. And I want to run my audits on every 5th of the month. And here in the keyword section, I'm gonna use only one keyword. In this case, it's gonna be painting. So the keyword should be like your search term that you use in GeoGrids. So for example, if you have franchise, for example, like McDonald's, you would use maybe like fast food search term or stuff like that. So usually you should use keywords that you rank for and you have a lot of competition within that search term. And then you're going to choose the location for what location you want to run an audit. And then you can make it white label, but in this case, I'm just going to leave it empty. And then I'm going to click on choose competition. So basically, you have to understand that audits allows you to analyze your competitors up to 5, and you can analyze their Google business profiles and see what they're doing better or what they're doing worse, and basically compare your location to their location. So I'm gonna choose this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and I want to choose this. So I can choose up to 5. And I'm gonna click on finish. And then here we go, we can see that it's already running, and I'm gonna click on audits, and it's gonna collect data. Usually takes like maybe 5 to 6 minutes because like there's a lot of information to collect. So I'm gonna get back once it is done. Okay, we are back, and once you see status as finished, you click on the name, and here we go, we see our audit. So let's analyze. So first we see the GeoGrid. So we run a small GeoGrid, 5x5, 0.5 miles between each knot, so we can get the most competitors from your GeoGrid. And here we can see our average grid rank, our average total grid rank, and share of local voice. So the larger share of local voice, like if it's closer to 1, the better is the rankings. So we can see that our average grid rank is 4. So out of all the knots, we average, like our average ranking is 4. Then we see the categories, and basically we see some information that categories describe your business. And here we have some file from Google to show you how to add and how to choose the category. But basically we can see that primary category, that it doesn't match with none of our competitors that we chose, that our competitors are mainly like 50% are painters. And in secondary category, we can see that most of our competitors are contractors or service establishment. They choose it as a second category. Here we can see the breakdown of their primary categories and secondary categories. And here we have the reviews. So we kind of like analyze the latest 1,100 reviews, and we can see here where the biggest spike of the reviews for every single location was. And keep in mind that everything is clickable, so you can click on any of the competitors and you can see their direct reviews, and you can filter them by like 2 stars, 1 star. We can go to this guy, for example, and check his 1-star reviews. Then here you can like go to the media section, posting section as well to see the locations, post, and then we can click on services. And here we have reviews in 180 days. So we can see that only like few reviews were left in 180 days. Here, then it's going to be breakdown one more time of the reviews, total count, response rate, velocity in the days, but this is for 180 days. Same goes with media posting. You have the graph of all the media posts of all time, then media in 180 days of like how many images were posted, how many videos were posted, how many street views, panoramas, and total count. Then we have a posting. Same goes for posting. Once again, everything is clickable, so you can actually check posting that, for example, this guy did, and you can filter them by standard, offers, or events, for example, like offers here. So you can check all the offers. So I'm gonna close that and let's go to services. So basically, it's all the services that your competitors provide, and the green one, the green line, it's basically how many services are being matched with your location. And you can click once again and check the list of all services. Here's going to be all services that they're providing, and if you're going to click on matched, it's going to show you the services that are matching with your business. So I'm going to close that, and then same local service areas, and it's going to give you all service areas that are being matched with you in blue, and then others that are not, so you can check that. Then we have a business attributes. We can see that only this guy has any attributes, and if it was in green, it means that it's going to match with my business attributes, and in blue it's basically business attributes are matching with my competition as well. Then we have a zip code. It's kind of like a half pie chart, so we can see that 49% of my competitors are working in this postcode, second one, and we can see that only 5% are working in this zip code. So most of our competition is in this postcode. Then we have page speeds inside that you can analyze how fast the website is working. And we can see that this guy has a very slow website. Then we have a JSON LD. It's basically what Google bots are crawling, and we basically take the code that we were able to get from their website that is being visible to Google. So we can see like this guy doesn't have any code in his website that's being crawled by Google, but we can analyze every other code from every other website. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you can always contact team at Local Viking or our customer support in the right hand side of Local Viking or Local Brand Manager. Have a great day. Bye bye.